Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Guitar Guitar. We have Mumford Sons. It's a beautiful group, and we have this song called Prizefighter. So Mumford Sons, believe they've been here on Guitar Guitar before. I'm not sure. They're named after the lead singer Marcus Mumford, and Sons is supposed to evoke that old family business. And yes, we have a beautiful band here performing a beautiful song, Prizefighter. Let's go into this tutorial. And as you can see here, no need for any capo here. We're gonna work with only like picking patterns, so no need to go over any specific chords as well. So let's go right into this verse play. We have verse play and chorus play, and that rolls through the entire song. So let's look into the verse play first, okay? This is pretty much basically based on the G chord, and we're gonna use some specific notes to get through this verse, okay? So I suggest you hold this ring finger on the 3rd fret E string in the bass. That should stay there, and then you're gonna work around that with the little pinky and perhaps your index finger on the other side of that ring finger. So you work around that ring finger like this, okay? So I'm gonna give you the start here. It goes like this. You're gonna see that that bass note on the 3rd fret E string goes pretty much every second time you're gonna hit a note. So you're gonna alternate with that and use other fingers to get the specific melody notes. So you're gonna start with the 3rd fret E string in the bass together with the 3rd high E, then bass. And when I say bass, I mean the 3rd fret E string, okay? Then 2nd high E, sorry. Then bass, then open G, bass, open G, and bass. Okay, so starting is and then comes the next part, which is the bass together with 2nd G, then bass, then open B, then bass, open B, bass, open B, and bass. That is the first half of it. That's what I just teached you, and then you're gonna play that 2 times. So that means again, 3rd E and the bass with the 2nd G, then bass, then open B, bass, open B, bass, open B, and bass. So you stay on this part twice as long as the starting point. So far well on this. And then just the ending, which sounds like this. That goes 3rd fret E string, that's the bass, together with 2nd G, then bass, then open G, bass, open G, bass, open G, and finally bass. And that is one round of the verse play. I'm gonna take you through this very slowly on the first round, everything, and then I'm gonna speed up to standard tempo. Let's go. Alright, so there you have one round, and sometimes, because I believe there are 2 guitars helping each other out there, sometimes you will hear some differences. So this is what you follow, and you can go work around this, but this is the specific notes you want to highlight on the high E and so on. So that's the verse play, and then at 2 points in the song, at 1 minute, exactly 1 minute, and the second time is 2 minutes and 16 seconds in, this chorus play comes in. If I could, then I would. That's where we're on the lyrics. Okay, so what you're gonna work with now is 4 grips based upon the D, E minor, C, and G. So the D grip looks like this. So you have the index finger on this 5th fret A string and your ring finger or so on the 7th fret D. Okay, so what you're gonna play here is this for 8 times. So you're gonna pick 7th D together with open G, and then you answer on the 5th fret A. So that is 1 round like this. You're gonna play it 8 times, and that will be for all these chords 8 times of this grip. So it goes like this. Okay, next E minor grip is like this. Very open everything. So you're gonna play open G together with open B, and then you answer on the open E in the bass. So 8 times like that. That's the E minor. Then comes the C. You're gonna now hold the 3rd fret A string with your ring finger or so, and then you stretch down to this 1st fret B string with your index finger, and that's a grip. You're gonna play 1st B together with open G, and then you answer on the 3rd fret A. 8 times so that goes. And finally we have the G grip, and then you're gonna play the open B and open G together and answer on the 3rd fret E string in the bass. 8 times of that, and it goes like this. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 2 rounds of that D, E minor, C, and G like this. Yes, slipped a little bit there on that D, but I think you understand. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that first chorus, which I mentioned starts at 1 minute sharp, and then you're gonna play 4 rounds in the end there, because this song ends with this chorus. It starts about 2 minutes and 16 seconds in. 4 rounds of that, and you have managed to play this song from Mumford Sons called Prizefighter. Wonderful, beautiful song. So yeah, give it a shot if you're into this picking pattern style going on there. Then this is a perfect song, pretty easy. So good luck, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.